Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Let's get it. Why does it make me sign up every time? Hold on. Let's see. Live trading. What up, YouTube? Good morning, everybody. Michael, John, Sir Chainsaw. Good morning. Bet. Bet. Cool. Let's get it. OPEX today. OPEX day typically sucks. Triple witching on top of it. We'll see. This is the S that I just have right now. But I'm about to switch it over to NQ. Everybody on YouTube or Instagram know that we're live on YouTube. Bet. Ready to rock. Good morning, Team Bull. Good morning. Let's see, I forgot to upload the video from yesterday. Class 5, piecing together, and psychology. All right, bet. I'll be back in a second, everybody. Hold on. All right, we are back. We are back. Ugh. Let's do this shit, baby. Good morning, Team Bull. Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. I just have the transparency all the way up. That's really the only difference. What is going on, YouTube? Let's crush it today. We've been getting like 1,700 people. Jesus Christ, can't even talk. 1,600 to 1,700 people here on the YouTube streams. That's fire. Good morning, Brandon's son. What up? All right, let's get live on TikTok. Remember, it is triple witching today, everybody, so be a little cautious. Highest quality setups only. Let's see. All right, bet we are good. Live trading in Q futures, fire. Bet. We are live. As always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Future trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management. I'm not responsible for any lost funds. Today is March 20th at 7:21 a.m. in beautiful Denver, Colorado. And again, none of this is financial advice. You know, fun fact. I think it was 5 years ago. 5 or 6 years ago, I had my biggest trading day at that time on Boeing. It was like contracts went, I think it was like $64 to 1,320 per. It was something like stupid. But I remember the expiration date was March 20th or March 21st, something like that. Good times. Good morning. Again, if you guys could start your day with a like, it would be greatly appreciated. Everybody on TikTok, double tap that screen and be greatly appreciated. And yeah, if you're new, hit that subscribe button, hit that follow button. Let's hopefully find a banger today. Hopefully find a banger. I like AMD a lot today. Get above 205.90. It was like the only stock that was strong yesterday. Yes, sir, OBJ. What up? Again, good morning, everybody. If you guys need accounts before market open, Apex, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discounts. considering that the only supply zone we have is all the way up here. And if you right click on it, it says 30. There you go. And then on TradingView, it says it too. Bro, I think they already restricted me on TikTok. I'm not doing this shit today. We're going to restart it one time. Hold on, TikTok. Restarting one time. If it messes up, I'm not going to fuck with it today. All right, TikTok. As always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Future trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you're not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I'm not responsible for any lost funds. Today is March 20th at 7:24 a.m. in beautiful Denver, Colorado. And again, none of this is financial advice. All right, let's see if it messes up again or restricts me again. This is ES right now. I'm about to switch it to NQ. Geez, I only got one chart to show you guys. Just because I pull up one doesn't mean I'm not watching the other. Let's see if I can move the screen a little bit. There we go. I'm going to get an update out today as well on the supply and demand indicator if you guys have it. Why is Afro Man on trial? What did he do? You know who Afro Man is? Bro, you know Afro Man. The song I was going to clean my room, but then I got high. Colt 45, yeah. Bruh. Goat. What do you mean? Like, those two songs were my childhood. Let's crush it. All right. Tell everybody in Zoom to wake up. Wake up. Let's crush it. 3 minutes till open. You gotta admit, that's pretty funny that they got a bunch of cakes sent to them. I would laugh, personally. Is that what he actually did? Because I would argue and say King Von's a goat too. I'm pretty sure everybody knows what he did. Send me your trading view on WAP. I'll get to it here in a little bit. Juice is the goat. I'll try removing you and then do it again here in a little bit. But again, I'm watching this. This AMD to me looks the best today, above 205.90. Break and retest to that level. Maybe trade some options today. We'll see. 2 minutes until open. Again, if you guys could, everybody on TikTok, make sure to double tap that screen. It'd be greatly appreciated. Everybody on the tube, make sure to hit that like button. And again, if you guys need accounts before market open or ever need accounts, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, Tradeify, Apex, make sure to use discount code Brandon. It'll always get you the best possible discounts. Keep in mind, today is triple witching, so today could be a little slow. All right. So stay patient, A+ setups only, and, you know, let's hopefully make a bag. Hopefully make a bag. We just hit that 618 on ES. Curious if we can get above there. Everybody watching on TikTok, if you're new, make sure to hit that follow button. I can guarantee not all of you are following. So, yeah, hit that follow button or I'm going to start calling everybody out. Let's see. DK58943, you're not following. Warren Lunge 6, you're not following. AMD's breaking above the level. Daydon 0X, you're not following. Scandalous Ram, you're not following. Your name is way too long to say. Tyler, you're not following. Okay, Moss. Vince. Yeah, I'm going to call all of you out. See if AMD can get above 205.90 and hold, though. What are you watching, GD? Nice. I still want to watch that supply zone if we get down there. Or demand zone, sorry. 302.5. That AMD did look really good, but currently slaughtered. And again, I'm going to keep reminding you guys, make sure to hit that follow button if you're new, subscribe on the tube. Everybody watching on TikTok, if you want a full screen view instead of the cropped image, make sure to head on over to my tube channel, BrandonTrades, where I'm also live right now. 1,600 videos, 1,700 videos, 127,000 subs. So, yeah, definitely make sure you guys come tap in to the tube, BrandonTrades. Big old dump off the open. We are looking at NQ futures. Look how nice Starbucks was to me today. They gave me a bunch of hearts on my cup. I think that lady likes me. Afternoon in the UK, fire. I have to go to Cali, and I have to trade out there Monday and Tuesday. Got some business to take care of. Bro, I don't know how you Cali people wake up at 6:30, but I'm literally, well, trade by 6:30. I'm going to hate my life. I'm going to hate it. Means I'm going to have to wake up at like 5:30, 5:45. But you don't like ladies. Yeah, you caught me. Sorry to admit it. Again, if you guys are new, though, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. We got like 80 people here on the TikTok, 180 people on the tube. Can guarantee not all of you are subscribed. Can guarantee not all of you are following. So find that button and hit it, or you get 10 years of bad luck. I live trade New York every single day for you guys. All you gotta do is follow and join. Subscribe and join. Let's see, copy, paste. And again, if you guys need accounts, Take Profit Trader, Apex, Lucid, Tradeify, make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps. Oh, start watching this AMD again, everybody. They're starting to buy it up. So 205.90 is still the level that I want to see us get above. And if we could pop up here on MNQ back into the, or NQ, back up into the moving averages or even ES, I would consider shorts. Take it back down to pre-market low. And then if we hit demand, it's a high probability bounce. We're on the 5-minute chart. It's based on the 4-hour. Oh yeah, hold on. I said the zoom to everybody else but in that channel. There we go. You retired 1 year ago today. Now you get up and listen to me every morning. Could be a good thing or a bad thing. Hopefully a good thing. That's fire though. Let's see. Take a screenshot of that. Post it on my Instagram later. I appreciate that though. Retired, waking up every day and hanging out with good old BrandonTrades. Yup, triple witching. How's everybody in Team Bull doing this morning? Everybody good? Good, vibing, chilling. Good. Good, good. You want to know how to fix that? Man up. See if we can pop into the moving averages. Come on. Again, everybody in the TikTok, make sure you guys are following. I guarantee not all of you are. Live trade here on New York every single day for you guys. What comes with the Discord? So pretty much live execution. So I'm sharing my screen on Zoom right now as well. YouTube and TikTok is delayed. So that's going to be the big thing is, you know, getting everything in real time. But then also everybody teaches a class throughout the week, or, you know, we go live for Power Hour. We have Asia live trading with Gene. I'll hop on for Asia periodically. But yeah, pretty much teaching and then a lot of live streams, a lot of live trading with no delay. That's in the Discord. hoping we can pop into the moving averages and short this. Jadon is working out on his stream. What do you mean? The guy's a weirdo. Psych. That's the homie. I made him take me to 801 yesterday. If you guys are in Denver and know what 801 is. Yep. My moving averages are on the 5. YouTube, you guys got to do your part too. We got like 220 of you up in here and only 75 likes. What is that? VWAP is right here. TikTok and Tube are slacking today. TikTok not following. Tube not hitting the likes. I'm going to hop off here. See if we can pop back up. See if we can come back up into these moving averages and look for a potential short. Kind of broke like this bear flag that we had too. I don't trade any of those fancy concepts. SMT divergence. Come up into the level so I can short you. We're watching like 40 to 60 on this. 40 to 60. All right, fam, let's watch this. See if we reject. DS is coming up to level 2. I'm gonna try some. Yeah, I tried some. I want to see us break into a new low. Yeah, this is rejecting off that level 2. I am willing to add more up here if we reject more. Get above this moving average, I'll get out. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little more. See if we get this move down into new low a day. Risking about like 30-ish points on this. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. Yeah, hit mine. Let's see. That's not a good way to start a Friday. Bruh. Big ass order just came in. That is so gay. Watch this 5-minute candle close. We'll see if it pops back up, and then I'd be willing to try it again. That's the exact move we were watching too. I'm watching this again. It did go slightly green off of our entry, but you would have been down like over 50 points if you kept holding. So let's watch this 5-minute candle close and then see if it pops back up into the moving averages, and I'd be willing to take it again. Not a fun way to start a Friday. I'm watching this both on ES and NQ. That's exactly what we wanted, bro. That shit's annoying. Dog. All right, well, if we go down to demand, I'm going to watch the longs. That's the exact move we wanted. It invalidated the whole setup, too, before it made that move. So let's watch 302.50. Your target would have been low a day and then pre-market low. That was actually kind of stupid. That one's got me annoyed a little bit. Invalidated the setup and everything. We're going to make it back. We're going to hit this demand zone and we're going to nuke it. Where'd you go, GD? Bro, that would have been a massive fucking trade. I'm actually kind of annoyed. Yeah, let's hopefully watch this 302. Yep, you know, it is what it is sometimes, everybody. It's a 4 hour demand. I don't know if you guys can see it on the stream, but like I'm actually really annoyed about that. But just have to control emotions. That's what separates profitable from unprofitable traders, is not being able to control emotions. See if we can get that low, that 302. Which should probably line up with pre-market low on ES, to be honest. Keep watching this demand, everybody. 302. 302 and then 83. Hopefully we can hit it. Bro. I was giving it above the moving averages and everything on SPY and QQQ, and it invalidated. Hopefully we can get this 302 now. Just would have been such a massive trade, dude. We're getting really close to this level, everybody. Definitely have a lot of buyers at 300 as well. Okay, we're getting really close. Okay, see if we hold either this 302 area or if we go down to 83. Yup. This area we gotta hold. Last possible spot we can bounce is here. Definitely some absorption coming in. All right. I want to try this one more time. Bro. Never mind. Don't get in. If it breaks below this low, I'm getting out. Tell you guys if you can get in. Hold on. It's the last possible spot that we could bounce. So hold on. As soon as I entered, it dropped right away. So I'm going to tell you guys when a better entry is. If they get it. If not, I'm going to go 0-2 and just call it a day. I don't think it's going to reclaim. See if they reclaim this 83.
Yeah, times. It's just looking above. Not close. It's still gone.
Okay, if you guys want to try it here with a stop below 60, you can. There we go. Okay, we're up 20 points for my entry. Look for a little more. Look for like this 19 level for our first trim. Come on. No, longs. Why would I shorten the demand, especially after this big move down? Bro. Come on. Pop like 20 points for a very quick move, but again, ideally I want pre-market low as our first trim. Back in the green if you guys don't like this. Come on. Give us the level. Give us the first trim. Come on. I like the volume coming in off this level as well. Come on. Come on. So close to the first trim. Come on. 2 points off. Come on. Come on. Bro. Come on. There we go. All right. First trim filled. Keep our stop break even. This is our pre-market low, so we could potentially reject off of here. Let's look for more upside. It's definitely a possibility. We're up 30 points. If you got that better entry, then, you know, obviously you're up more, but let's keep our stop break even. Look for more continuation. I would love to see this ADMA up here, but again, we could reject off this pre-market low. You guys actually have no idea how annoyed I was off that first trade. If you saw my face, you could tell I was really annoyed. Come on. Would love to see this 8 EMA break through this 19 level for continuation. Come on, give us more. There we go. There we go. I knew I should have took off more. It's about like 40 points though. Almost 40 points. All right. I'm all out of break even, everybody. Like I said, we could have potentially rejected off that pre-market low. It's what it seems like it's trying to do. What, Tesla? Had a feeling I should have trimmed again, but you know, it is what it is. That was our only bounce. Now we're rejecting off that pre-market low. If we fail this, I really don't have anything else. Well, if you use code Brandon, you always get the best possible discount on Apex. Always. Yes, let's see how this 15-minute candle closes because we're still technically holding it.
As I said, it's not a bit of a trend, but the bottom line is So we see prices fall around. In all honesty, I would see us continue with multiple worse than that makes sense. Just because we're seeing a lot of our price closes, then immediately bounce back by. That's just personal preference. And a little ahead of some missing first.
We'll see. Still slightly red on the day, not a lot. Just like $100.
Price wants to fall, it should be.
No, I said put your stop loss at break even. Then I stopped out break even. I'd say with that first trade too, probably my entry is the only thing I would change. But, you know, we had the right idea, just had to follow the risk because it started to invalidate. If you didn't listen to the invalidation and it kept fucking pumping, then you You guys noticed that I was a little annoyed? TikTok, YouTube. Could you see it? We definitely still have a lot of buyers down here. Yep. Welcome to trading. And why I bring that up is because I've been doing this for 8 years. Okay? Just because I've been doing it for 8 years doesn't mean I don't face the same emotions that everybody else faces as traders, right? The only difference between me and 99% of other traders is that I am able to control those emotions. All right? Yes, it's very annoying that it stopped us out and then dropped fucking almost 200 points. Okay? We took like a 30 something point loss. All right? Just for it to drop 200 something points. But equally at the same time, it was a very bullish candle that closed above the levels, and there was a lot of strength that came in. Right? So yes, it's very annoying. But those times where you don't listen to your stop loss and you let it continue to move against you, that's how you blow accounts. Right? You can always get back in, you can always look for another trade. But why I bring that up is because you guys, it's so rare that I get annoyed. Today I was actually very annoyed with that first trade. But did I go force another trade? No. I traded where the setup was present. I traded where another setup was present. You know, took advantage of it, and clearly it wasn't shit. But, you know, that's the best thing that we can do. Right? Just take good trades. Because as soon as you start letting the emotions get to you, that's when you go on tilt and you start blowing shit. GD. Brother. I don't have anything else. I literally think that's like all, unless we close below these 30-minute orbs, maybe a retest here in a little bit. But I have nothing holding us up. Like I said, everybody, based off those two trades, I'm only down $100 in account. So, small red. Yesterday was a small red too, so green streak has officially came to an end. 2 small reds in a row. It's all right though. You know, our winners compared to our losers, they've been significantly smaller. Guess what, Matt? You're just gonna have to get over it.
Yeah, it's not operating top sucks. But the only good side is my analysis was right. So it gave me confidence to take it. There's two sides to look at.
What do you mean that's a lot of work for plus or minus 100? Took advantage of what the market had to offer and used risk management. What you talking about? I clicked buttons. That's it for 45 minutes. I either make money or lose money.
Really honestly, the reason why I was software was because my industry wasn't as good as we had price you know, started to see reaction out of my year. So initially,
Yeah, I took 2 trades, 1 loser, 1 winner. Pretty much break even, only down $100 on the day. I was in the green too. If I would have sold everything, I would have been green. But didn't make sense to sell everything. We trimmed going into our price target, which was that pre-market low. And then from there, I was aiming, you know, another 20, 30 points higher. Actually, a little more, 30, 40 points higher. So that would have been a really nice trade. And we would have been significantly green if we caught that move up. But again, that's traded. That is traded. For real though, DSB. Damn, dude, you took 2 trades and only lost 100. What was the point? You want me to lose 500? All that work for negative 100. Here, I'll go negative 500 for you. Make you happy. Like, dog, what? I trade the 30-minute orb. I just don't like how overextended to the downside we are. It could reject. It could continue to go down. But, I mean, we've pulled back or pushed down pretty hard with no pullback. So, that's why I'm not a big fan of it. Yeah, apparently Chuck Norris passed away. I didn't see that. Whenever I hear Chuck Norris, I think of that Family Guy episode. Roadhouse. I mean, personally, I would, if I had to guess, we go lower. But again, I'm not a big fan of the 30-minute orb here. It could, but I'm just not a fan. Heat map, all it is limit orders sitting within the market, and then the DOM. I don't use, or DOM is just execution, right? Use the Dome Pro for executing. But yeah, that's all the heat map is. No, I'm not a big fan of the orb. Given the, like, if we had, this move is too big down for me to consider it. If we had like a larger move and then came back and retested it on a pullback, then yes. But I don't like to, long or short after the big move. Decreases the probability. How's everybody else doing in Team Bull? You guys doing good? Vibing, chilling. Yeah, I'm only down $100 per account, so pretty much break even on the day. If I would have sold everything, though, I would have been green, but that wouldn't have made sense. Guys, that's psychological factor that make people do stuff like that. Could have sold everything, been like, I think it was like $80 or $90 green. Just didn't make sense. Yep. I had a feeling that I should have trimmed like a little more as we started to pop above that pre-market high, but I would have captured like another 12 points out of that. I would have been green, or I would have been like actually like towards zero on the day if I did that. It's all right though. Again, shoulda, coulda, woulda. The only difference I would make on that first trade was my entry, like GD said. But equally at the same time, when I entered, it was confirming. So, right idea, wrong timing. I wanted it to go up to the ADMA, which was like another. What?
Make sure you understand why we do things we do. Sometimes it's hard to understand. So on the same page. And yeah, it's just how and made on emotions. And so Nice, let's go.
Pretty much just watch key levels and then watch the order flow when we go to it. That's it. That's pretty much it. Again, if you guys could, though, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys are new. And then, as always, if you guys need accounts, prop firm accounts, Take Profit Trader, Apex, Lucid, Tradeify, make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps. Again, Apex, Lucid, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps. Let's see. Are you leaving? Oh, I thought you said Brandon. Let's see. Yeah, I took 2 trades today. Again, it's pretty much break-even day for me, down $100.
That's true.
Any questions in the YouTube? Questions at all?
That's the worst presentation kills traders. That's what killed me for a long time. I'd see stuff around, I would take that they would work, and I something on the trade that wasn't there, I would force it. So I had to really have to do shit. And I think more so that's where I pitched the confidence. I was like, if you have something, you whoever did it, you're confident.
Curious to see if we reject off that ADMA. It's the first time we're actually testing it since up here.
Because you know velocity here. So you gotta fix that problem.
No, again, I don't really trade that way. Just supply demand if I'm looking for bounces and then trend entries until we get to our spots. Any words on the market next week? Well, we'll find out next week. I mean, we might. We don't know. We have another 30 minutes. We can see what the market offers.
Really good analysis there.
Ba, ba, ba.
There's some really good YouTube videos on traders that I watched on YouTube. Like a workout.
It is OPEX too. Trying to get above that moving average. But again, if you guys need accounts, take Profit Trader, Lucid, Tradeify. Wait, Apex, take Profit Trader, Lucid, Tradeify. Make sure to use discount code BRAND in all caps. Always get you the best possible discounts. Again, if I see a trade, I'll take another trade. But right now, I don't see anything. I teach in 30 minutes. Got a busy day.
So we didn't talk about the DMAs, but the reason why I saw the first was yeah, first place, but the reality was so what I did was target was low day or low day sense, right? To have high risk.
Key level and then reaction with volume and price and then order flow. That's really it.
See, that's why I don't really do that. I don't base my stop loss based on Kano. And so I think it's honestly where I'm wrong. But I will be fair with it. It was. Like, well,
Risk management's most important. It's really it, right? If you don't even know what the fuck you're doing, and every time you take a trade, you risk $1, and every time you win, you make $2. You know you're going to be profitable, right? So risk management is the biggest thing, and then I'd say just forcing yourself to take good setups. That's it. The blue line is part of the 30-minute orb. Oh, I do sorry, Juan, I just saw your question. I do everything like buy market, sell market. I don't do brackets. I honestly think we probably just chop for the rest of the day.
slightly above it, literally.
Can you hear me, you cracker? I think its volume's down.
To have that stock was above us, right? I would say this stock was never valid price to buy trading.
Who you calling a cracker?
Was above this gap, right? But the issue is when the price comes up, it starts to make it go higher.
No, I don't use hard stops. Everything's mental.
Stop out because it's this year, right? That's the way to risk.
Everything is mental.
Yeah.
That's just so stupid that, like, this candle and everything just, no. So stupid. And then it was just literally one big seller that made that happen. Is there somewhere we can go learn from you? I have mentoring if obviously you want to talk about that. If you wanted to, you could DM me on Instagram and then my videos, really, and then also just joining and trading with me because you'll see what I trade every day if you join enough and listen. Hello, Cracker Jack. Hello? Hello, 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 hello. Bruh. What's a word for a short Italian? What's up, Basso? Or Piccolo? Piccolo? Let's go, Juan. Rejecting off that pre-market low again. If I had to guess, like, we just shop for the rest of the day. It's OPEX. OPEX typically is ass. Can you hear me now? Bet. What's up, buddy? What's up?
Less good day, bro.
Yeah, I think I might end up calling it early. Take my small red for the day and move on. Wait for better opportunity next week.
So technically, yeah, I should have done my first because this market
What you guys think, Tube?
just so much volatility.
How many contracts should you take on a 50K? It depends on your risk. Because again, if you're risking 20 points, it's very different than risking 40 points. If you're risking 50 points, it's different than risking 20 points. So that's how you understand how many contracts. Depends on the risk. You can very quickly calculate it in your head. But GD, are you gonna stay on?
for a little bit.
All right, I'm gonna make you host. Peace out, Team Bull. Let's do it again next week. Everybody have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you guys then. Peace. All right, YouTube, I'm gonna hop off. 1 win, 1 loss, pretty much break even on the day. Like I said, negative $100, so I consider that break even. Yeah, let's do it again next week. Took advantage of what the market had to offer, and yeah, everybody have a great day. And again, if you guys need accounts, take Profit Trader, Lucid, Tradeify, Apex. Make sure to use discount code Brandon.